So the first question is, why did Nishad and Meena were having doubt about Mr. Nath? What was the cause of them? Class, are you able to listen me? If you are not able to listen me, kindly leave and rejoin. Okay? Who is going to tell me the answer? Utkarshi, tell your answer, beta.
Ma'am, the answer is Nishad and Maya were doubtful on Mr. Nath because of his appearance. Maya thinks that Mr. Nath is a crook because he is so thin and his scars are the result of shootout with the police.
Very good, very good.
Thinks that if he has no friends, he must be the crook.
So there were 9 reasons written by Maya to claim that the person Mr. Nath is a crook. Okay, next question. What is strange about Mr. Nath's Sundays? What is strange about Mr. Nath's Sundays? Who is going to tell me the answer? Divya. Very good. Tell beta.
Ma'am, the strange about Mr. Nath Sunday is every Sunday the same. Every Sunday same person visit and then need to take the lunch and discuss, and Ramesh him talking about lot and lot.
Somebody else want to tell the answer? Abhinav Jaiswal. Abhinav Jaiswal.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, tell the answer.
Strange thing about Mr. Nath's Sunday was that the only visitor came every Sunday and they have to get the same meal. That was dal, vegetable and some chapatis.
Okay, very good. Rituraj, would you like to tell the answer?
Every Sunday, Mr. Nath was founded with a man who was tall, fair, and he talked a lot unlike Mr. Nath.
Okay, very good. Okay, class, very good. Next question. Next question is, why Maya called Nishad 7? Why did Maya call Nishad 7? Why did Maya call Nishad 7? Kindly raise your hand. Only Utkarshi is going to tell me the answer. Anushka, tell your answer, beta. Anushka 7th. Kindly tell your answer. No, she is not speaking.
Ma'am, the question.
Beta, why did Maya call Nishad 7? तुमने देखा होगा चैप्टर में many times you have seen that he has been called as 7. Nishad has been called as 7 by Maya. So why he was called as 7 in the chapter? You have to tell me the cause. Garvika, tell your answer.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Wait, Soumya, wait. Garvika, tell.
Ma'am, Nishad is called 7. Is called 7 by her sister because Nishad means the 7th note of the musical scale.
Okay. Soumya, would you like to tell your answer? Kindly tell. Soumya, tell your answer, beta.
Nishad's name means the seventh note on the musical scale, so Maya got him 7.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, next question. Next question is, what did Mr. Nath thought Nishad had come to his place the second time for? What did Mr. Nath thought Nishad had come to his place the second time for? मतलब जब निशाद जब दोबारा उनके कमरे पर गया था तो मिस्टर नाथ ने क्या सोचा कि वो क्यों आया है? Who is going to tell me the answer? Utkarshi, Divya. This time Harshita will tell me the answer. Harshita, kindly tell your answer. Harshita, tell your answer.
मैम कैसे थे?
तुम लोग एक बार में क्वेश्चन नहीं सुनते हो क्या? कान बंद करके रखते हो तुम लोग? ध्यान से सुनो, दोबारा पूछ रही हूँ. What did Mr. Nath thought Nishad had come to his place the second time for? Anyone else? Would you like to tell your answer?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Divya, tell.
Mr. Nath thought Nishad had again come to his place searching of his marbles.
Very good answer, Divya, very good. Okay, from next chapter I am going to ask some question. So this question is from the bicycle in good repair, from the chapter bicycle in good repair. So question is, who the author called the right person to shake the bicycle? Who the author called the right person to shake the bicycle? क्वेश्चन समझ में आया? इसका अर्थ बताना पड़ेगा. क्वेश्चन ये है कि ऑथर, if anyone want to give the answer, kindly give. Rituraj, tell your answer.
The author thought that he himself was a proper person to shake the bicycle.
Very good. Okay, next question. What happened to the ball bearings? What happened to the ball bearings? Who is going to tell me the answer? This time, Kshitij. Wait, Rituraj. Kshitij Kumar Singh.
Please repeat it.
The question is, what happened to the ball bearings? Kshitij Kumar Singh. Kindly tell your answer. Mustafizur Rahman, kindly tell your answer. 8 Soumya. Let me see that how many children have learned the chapters. So I would like to see. Mayur Rathod, would you like to tell your answer? Mayur Rathod. No. Nirmesh Kumar Yadav, would you like to tell your answer? Saransh Pandey, would you like to tell your answer? No one. Only a few children are having the answer, nobody else. Okay, Manthan, tell your answer.
When the black levels are very small and they fell on the ground and were in grass, so they were not getting to the water.
Very good. Okay, Utkarshi, kindly tell this answer again. Utkarshi, kindly tell this answer again.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is that the ball bearings were wrong according to the author's friend. So the author's friend unscrewed all the balls, and after unscrewing all the balls were scattered at the ground, and the author and the friend were finding the balls, and after finding, the author put those ball bearings into his hat.
Keep telling dear. Keep telling. Okay. So the answer is, let me tell you the answer, children. Let me tell you the answer. Author's friend unscrewed the ball bearings without informing him. They started rolling on the ground, and then they might have lost some of it there. Then the author kept them in his hat, which was later blown away by the wind, because of which they again lost 5 of those bearings. तो पहले क्या हुआ, पहले तो ऑथर के फ्रेंड ने सारी बॉल बेयरिंग्स को गिरा दिया, उसके बाद वो दोनों ने मिलकर उन्हें क्या किया, कलेक्ट किया। किसमें? ऑथर की हैट में। ऑथर की हैट में कलेक्ट करने के बाद जब हवा चली तो ऑथर की जो हैट थी वो उड़कर जमीन में इधर चली गई। उसके बाद उसकी 5 जो बॉल बेयरिंग्स थी वो भी खो गई, और इस तरह से उन्होंने सारी लगभग मतलब अपनी जो साइकिल थी उसको वापस से रीऑर्गेनाइज करा। तो रीऑर्गेनाइज करने के बाद भी वो बिल्कुल उसका सेटअप गड़बड़ हो गया, क्योंकि बॉल बेयरिंग जो थी वो ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे में नहीं लगी हुई थी। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द स्टेट ऑफ द ऑथर्स फ्रेंड एट लास्ट? हु इज गोइंग टू डिस्क्राइब मी द स्टेट ऑफ द ऑथर्स फ्रेंड? ओके, वेट। ओके ऋतुराज, वेट, देखती हूँ मैं और किसको आता है। आदित्य, वेट बेटा, मैं दूंगी, सबको दूंगी मौका, ठीक है। निष्कर्ष, ओके, आफ्टर लॉट ऑफ टाइम निष्कर्ष हैज बीन अवेकेंड। नाउ निष्कर्ष वुड लाइक टू टेल मी द आंसर।
The author friend was completely tired because of his struggle with the bicycle. He was soiled with oil and dirt. He found fixing the part of the bicycle extremely tough and somehow got those parts in place. He got it quite finally, claiming that this is enough.
Okay, very good. Very good. Somebody else would like to tell the answer?
Please repeat the question.
Question is, describe the situation, state of the author's friend at last. Abhinav Jaiswal is going to tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the author stayed around 1:45 he was very dirty and his clothes were torn and his blood was flowing.
Yes,
Because
very
of
good.
cuts.
His blood was flowing and he was completely dirty because of the struggle with the bicycle. And a lot of oil was on the face of the author. So this is the only state of author's friend. Okay, next question. Next question is from Garden Snake. Okay, from the next poem, I am going to ask some question. Okay, why did narrator ran away seeing the garden snake? Why did the narrator run away seeing the garden snake? No, Utkarshi and Ritural will not tell me the answer. I would like to ask the question from others. K. Prabhakaran. K. Prabhakaran.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer. Why did the narrator run away seeing the garden snake? अरे भाई सीधी सी बात है, कोई भी स्नेक को देख के क्यों भाग जाता है? इतना भी आंसर नहीं कर पा रहे हो आप लोग, जरा सा भी कॉमन सेंस नहीं लगा पा रहे हो. इट्स रियली मतलब डिसअपॉइंटिंग कि कोई भी आदमी इतना भी नहीं बता पा रहा है कि व्हाई एनी पर्सन कुड रन अवे बाय सीइंग अ स्नेक. सिंपलेस्ट एंड सुपर इजी क्वेश्चन आई हैव आस्क्ड. हाँ, डर के भाग जाता है, लेकिन इंग्लिश में यह बात आप नहीं बता पाओगे बिकॉज यू आर स्टडिंग इन अ नगर निगम स्कूल ना, यू आर नॉट स्टडिंग इन आदर्श पब्लिक स्कूल एंड वी आर नॉट इवन प्रोवाइडिंग यू द टीचिंग ऑफ दैट टाइप. Utkarsh Yadav, kindly tell your answer. केवल 4-5 बच्चे मुट्ठी भर बच्चे क्लास में जवाब देते हैं, बाकी सब बच्चे मूक बधिर की तरह बैठ करके सुनते हैं. केवल राम कथा चल रही है क्या? भागवत सुनने आए हो तुम लोग? मंथन भोसले, tell your answer.
Man letter came because he had fear of the garden snake.
Ruba Devi, tell your answer. No answer. Very good. Soumya Shukla, tell your answer.
Ma'am, the narrator thought the snake to be dangerous and out of fear ran away.
Okay, very good. Okay, next question. What did the mother say about the garden snake to the daughter? What did the mother say about the snake to the daughter? Kindly raise your hand. Those who are knowing the answer, kindly raise your hand. Wait, let me ask the other children also. Why they are sitting and just listening the Bhagavad here? Kshitish Kumar Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell the answer. What did the mother नहीं नहीं बेटा, 1 मिनट जरा देखो तो, ये जो मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं कि क्वेश्चन रिपीट करने के लिए आंसर दे पाएंगे या नहीं, आई वुड लाइक टू सी ना, सो दैट आई कैन गिव द मार्क्स 5 मार्क्स इन द ओरल टेस्ट, 0 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 0 आई कैन गिव देम ना। तो ये जरूरी है, ये तो मुझे भी पता चलना चाहिए ना कि इस क्लास में जवाब कौन देता है। ये जो क्लास एक्टिविटी के टेस्ट होते हैं उसमें जब 5 मार्क्स मिलते हैं उसके मैं 0 मार्क्स ऐसे ही देती हूँ, टेंशन ना लो आप लोग, ठीक है। So the question is, what did the mother say about the garden snake to the author? Kshitiz now tell the answer. I have repeated the question now.
Ma'am, the answer is but my mother says that kind is good and eats up insects for his food. So when the wiggles in the grass, I will stand.
Are you telling your answer or are you reciting the poem? Look at yourself. You are in class 7th and you are not even able to tell the answer of a simple super easy question. This is the situation of yours. What you will do in the next class, I don't know. Even I can't expect. Okay, Abhinav Jaiswal, kindly tell your answer.
Ma'am, the mother told the narrator that all snakes are not harmless, especially the garden snakes. They are only in the search of food.
Okay. Manthan Bhosle, tell your answer.
The mother said to the narrator that the garden snake does not harm you. He eats only insects.
Utkarshi, tell your answer.
Ma'am, the mother said to the author that the type of snake which you are seeing is harmless and it only eats insect as its food.
Okay. So the answer is that the mother told about the garter snake to the author that all snakes are not harmful, especially the garden snake is harmless because he always in the search of their food as insects. Okay. Next question. Now I am going to ask the question from your next book, An Alien Hand.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा बोलो।
मैम, हमारी जो कोर्स बुक है उसमें से जो चैप्टर्स आ रहे हैं उसमें से हमारा कीवर्ड्स आएंगे जो आपने उसकी साइड चैप्टर्स के।
कीवर्ड्स नहीं, इस बार नहीं आएंगे बेटा, कीवर्ड्स आपके फाइनल में आएंगे, ठीक है, इस बार नहीं आएंगे। इस बार आपको केवल MCQs टाइप क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने हैं, ठीक है। Those will be related belonging to your chapters only, on the based of the content of the chapters. Okay, ask. हाँ बेटा बोलो।
When exam started?
बेटा आपको अभी तक डेट शीट नहीं मिली है?
No, ma'am.
On 7 बेटा, your exam will start on 7 and at the exam time in your period, in your same period, exam will be taken. Okay, the next question is from I want something in a cage. The chapter I want something in a cage. The question is from I want something in a cage. First question is, why is Mr. Purcell compared to an owl? Why is Mr. Purcell compared to an owl?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Nishkarsh is going to tell me the answer.
Yes. Ma'am, Purcell appeared like an owl when he looked through his glasses.
Okay. Garvika?
Ma'am, Mr. Purcell looked like an owl because he wears a large glasses, magnified glasses, which cover their eye and they appears like a wise and gentle owl.
Very good, very good. Good description. Okay, Utkarshi.
Ma'am, Mr. Purcell appeared like a wolf because he wore large glasses which magnified his eyes, so he appeared like a wolf.
Yes,
Or
very
a
good.
wolf.
2 minutes. Okay. So class, for today this much only. I hope you all have understood that how which type of question can come in your exam. So kindly read, and tomorrow in the next class I will take the revision of grammar. Okay, so be ready for that also, and kindly prepare yourself for the UT2. Thank you everyone.